I'm Peyton.
And this is our science fair project. We are using dry ice in warm water to see how it reacts. This right here is dry ice. You can only touch it with heavy-duty gloves.
Because dry ice is negative 110 degrees.
Dry ice, it reacts to warmer water because of how cold it is. It reacts faster with warmer water. It reacts slower with colder water. The reason it is going so fast with cold water is because we put a smaller piece in here. That is dry ice in water with dish soap in it. It is making a bubble. Once it ends, it will make a big bubble and then it will pop. If you blow on the water, you can also touch it. And if you feel right here, it's really warm, and if you feel here, it's very cold.
Do not stick your hand completely in the bowl.
No, that is horrible. That would be really bad. Carbon dioxide is a solid, and when you put it in a warm bowl, it will accelerate the change from a solid into a gaseous state. Carbon dioxide is a CO2 formula. The warmer the water, the faster it turns into gas. So the reason this is going so slow, as I said before, is because we started a little bit earlier than with the cold water. The reason now it's going faster is because, see, if you look down here how slow it is processing, is because of the way it is, how cold the water is. Now, if I put another small piece into the warm water, it will go much faster. Since it is such a small piece in such a big bowl, it is transferring around. Would you like to say anything about the bubbled water?
This bubbled water is now forming into a big bubble. It will eventually pop
and make huge gas.
And make huge gas, I guess. Yes. You can make a big bubble around the bowl if you take bubble solution and with a rag and move it around.
A 1-inch rag and go like that. We decided not to do this because we didn't think it was as much fascinating as the other ones were. Well,
can you just poke it?
Yeah, you can poke it.
This is what happens if you pop it.
Usually the bubble is bigger if you had the rag and you were going around. Now, see how much smaller it's getting and still how big this one is? It's because this is so warm, it just makes it accelerate like crazy. And since this is so, cold, if you feel it, it's really cold, and if you feel here, it's hot. We can probably put this piece of dry ice, small piece, in here, and it will start forming more bubbles. So, if you were to do this at home, make sure you have heavy-duty gloves, bowl of warm and cold if you would like to try that, water. Then what would you do, Peyton?
If you ever have parties, make sure, like a Halloween party, you can have a big bowl and put dry ice in it.
Make sure before you take anything out of the bowl to drink, make sure that dry ice is completely gone, or you have scooped it out and put it in the freezer or wherever it comes. If you, at home, make sure you put on your gloves like we have on, and you carefully take it out of the bag. Do not eat the ice, and make sure your skin does not touch it because you could get severely hurt. And that is all we have to say about dry ice. Thank you.